Hi, Dave Powell from Integrity Surveying here, and I'm going to talk to you about ventilating your home, why it's needed and the types of ventilation. Why is it needed? Well, several reasons. The first one is to dilute metabolic pollutants. That's bad odours to you and me. It also removes carbon dioxide from the air, so it provides oxygen. So by removal of the CO2 we get more oxygen into the property. Now, another reason for this is to remove the possibilities, or at least reduce the possibilities of condensation. There's moisture in the air, that condenses on cold spots and that can cause mould and damage decoration. So, what type of vents are there? Well, this is a brick vent. Old-fashioned nowadays really, but we used to find them at ground level and at high level, so there's a through flow of air so that you can remove the CO2, it can remove odours and it can help to remove moisture in the air. Nowadays you're more likely to find background ventilation in your windows. Now this will either be with trickle vents at the top of the windows or by the use of night latches, where you can open the window just a small amount and lock it securely into position. So that's called background ventilation. The next type of ventilation is these mechanical extract fans, normally found in kitchens and bathrooms, and it's advisable, especially in an old property, to have these fitted if you haven't got one. And there's two types. First one is called a recirculating fan, where all it does is suck out the fat and it then chucks the air back out with all the moisture back into the room. The better sort are ones like this. Now this one, besides being a little noisy, takes all of the steam from the cooking, takes it up to a flue, and in this case chucks it out the side wall. It removes all that excess moisture. It's the best sort of mechanical extract ventilation you can have. The third and final type is, well, let's say you're cooking and you manage to burn your sausages and you end up with a room full of smoke. That's called purge ventilation, and that's when you open your doors and windows wide for a quick distribution of the pollutants and other odours to the outside air. So that's why we need it, and that's how ventilation works. If you need more information or if you have any queries, just give us a call. There's no charge for information given over the phone, and I hope that's been of help. Thanks for watching.